Hi, kids. All right, so this is the final lesson. If you have chosen to create a Google site to show off your work on this project, then this is the lesson for you. This is a little bit more difficult and requires some figuring out on your end. I'm not going to give you exactly how to do everything, but for some of you, that is an awesome challenge that you would love, and for some of you, that is overwhelming. So we want you to choose what you would enjoy and feel great about doing. So if you don't choose to do a Google site, then you do need to choose to do Google Slides presentation. Um, and that video will be right here. It's just up, processing right now. Nacho, come here, buddy. So yeah, so we are in the very last step here, which is step 6. You should have practiced and learned how to give your speech. You have watched the video about how to do your recording, and you've done your recording, and you decided if you didn't want to do that, that you are now doing the Google site. So first step will be to open your Drive. So go to Google Drive. Oh, actually, you don't need to open your Drive. So you click here on the little guy, and you want to scroll down till you get to Sites. Now, yours might not be as high, so you might have to scroll down more to find, sites for you. Okay, just depends on what you've used. So you'll open Google Sites, and then there are some nice little templates up here that might work out really well for you. And templates are great because a template will give you a way to start out, and that way you don't have to kind of invent what it's supposed to look like. So they have like a class that's not really appropriate, but student portfolio, you can click up here to see more in the template gallery. Those are work related. This might work, the student portfolio. So I don't know if you want to click on that and try that, but if we click on that, it will load that template for you. Okay, and then you wait for it to load. Okay, and then you want to rename this. So you want to name this, let's say you're doing Susan B. Anthony, notable, Nacho project, and then your name. Okay, and then here I would put Susan B. Anthony, even though it says to do your name, because like they're thinking that this is like a kid's portfolio for their whole year. So you would put Susan B. Anthony. Okay, and then we've got an image back here. And so what's nice is that it's already back there, and all you have to do is change it. So you could go, oh, okay, I'm going to change the image. And it says, okay, what should I do? I'm going to select image. So you can go here to search, and you can type up Susan B. Anthony. And now, see, the picture is kind of, it goes, it's a little bit more like this, right? It's more horizontally than vertically. So if I choose a vertical one, it's not going to look as good as if I choose a horizontal one. So, I think I actually might choose this one because it looks like it's a sculpture of her. So that's kind of cool. And it's white, so it might look kind of neat in the background. It does look neat in the background. Okay, so there we go. And then up here, you're going to title it, and you're going to say Susan B. Anthony, enter, and then put by Nacho, and then your name. And make sure you do your full name. And do you see how, Nacho, come here, puppy. Do you see how it did it like that? And then it needs to actually, you want to make it centered, okay? And then scroll down, and these are just suggestions, right, that they already have in this template. So this is like an about me that you can use. and then they have like different ways that they've added things. So basically the way that this works, guys, is that if you don't like this little section here, you can click the trash and take it away. You can change the background color. You can duplicate that section. Let's say I didn't like that section, so I deleted it, and then I want to put something up here. I can go over here and I can add a text box. I can add links to things, just similarly how we did links in the presentation. So I'm not going to go through, like, this is a harder method, and I'm not going to go through every possibility. But what I do want to say is that you need to make sure that you have your report in here, that you have images of your person, you have the text for your speech, like the actual written copy of your speech, and you have your video of yourself or the link to your Flipgrid. And if you want to know how to do that, then please go back and watch this video of creating an engaging slideshow, and that will teach you how to do that. Okay, so this is an option. I'm not going to go through everything because kind of part of the coolness about going through and doing this one is that you're figuring out how to do it. Okay, once you're done and you've added everything that you want, you have to click here to publish it. Okay, so you're going to publish it, and it's going to ask, what do you want its web address to be? And so basically, it's always HTTP about this whole thing, right? sites.google.com/dpsk12.net/ and then whatever you have here. Okay, and then who can view it? Anyone in Denver Public Schools. I'm not sure if you guys can change this, so you could check out and see if you could change that to make it so that family members could see it. What I would suggest is that you could make it anyone can find and view the published version. And then if you do that, just make sure you're not including any pictures of yourself, okay? And then click Save, Done, Publish, and then you will need to make sure that you email me the link to your website, which you can find in this link right here, Publish Site Link. You would copy that link, and then you would go and email that to me, okay? All right, I look forward to see if any of you will take this on. I'm thinking of a few of you that I think might, but we'll see. Okay, adios.